Hi everyone, I'm here to do a quick unboxing of the KINN products. It is quote unquote unboxing because I've used these. This lighting is good, but I will start with this one. This is the pearl necklace. Actually the chain is from mejuri, which is their solid box chain from mejuri. I think it's very similar to the one KINN has, but since I already have one, I just bought the Baroque Pearl. I think this one is the smaller, I think the #1 version. It is super beautiful. And each of them is unique, and it does come with this hook that that does come off like this, and you can close them back up, but it's quite nice. Love this pearl, always look absolutely gorgeous on. So that's what it looks like. Every KINN product comes with a little bag. Very nice quality. I love the packaging that they have. Okay, so that's the first one. And then the second one that I have here is the I actually don't know the name of this necklace, but it's the one that is made with whatever name that you would like to put on it. In this case, my name is Anne, so I had it named under me, and the A is capitalized, whereas theirs on the website is usually not, at least the pictures that they have on there. So just be very careful when you order them. Make sure if you want them uncapitalized, have it that way. If you do want it capitalized, and if you capitalize all of your letters, they will make it that way. So just make sure you have exactly what you want. But yeah, the chain is very dainty when I put it on. I really barely see the chain, and I just see the necklace. So absolutely love this. I wear this day and night. It's never uncomfortable. And yeah, it's gorgeous. I think this one has to be my favorite piece so far. That is the second one that I got from KINN. This one actually took quite a long time for it to come because it was holiday season. I think it was like 2 months or so. So definitely if you're gonna order it for a friend, order it early. Or something. And then the very last one, which is the newest edition that I have, is ring, Signet Ring. I think this is the medium version of it. It's absolutely beautiful. Of course, I've worn this one as well. Let me put it on for you. Sorry, excuse my nails, but it is super gorgeous. It is hollow on the inside. I hope you guys can see. But it looks just super beautiful on with this ring. And just to give you guys a reference, this finger is a round of 5, and I ordered size 6, and it fits very well. So I would say like they recommend size it up half or a whole size up. And next to it is my vintage Tiffany ring if you're curious. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. I love it. Wear it all the time. I did have it engraved as well with the word mind behind it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's very, very, very small. I don't think you can. and it's just something I do as a reminder to be more mindful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions about the process. This one also took about a month to come, so just kind of know that they do take a little bit of time because it is a smaller inventory that they have. So absolutely beautiful. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. The 3 items. You have questions, just let me know and I would love to answer them. So